Question here, we have to complete this diagram. This block and tackle system having that 5 number of pulleys. So what to do here? First of all, let us take, and here let us try it. Okay, it will start like this. From here it will move, and one important thing is that every time you have to see that this line which one you are drawing here, this should be a straight line. Okay, that it will be very okay. So this one, and in this case this one will be like this here. So means I mean to say that this one will be a straight line. I mean to say, always see that there will be, it is not just like hanging all these things, it should be a straight line. Okay, like that way you people just try to solve it, try to do it. So here all these things, this one will be the tension, this one will be tension, direction of tension, this one will be direction of tension. So all these cases you have to mention. So here load is supported by 5 tension, this one it is effort, and this one again, this one will be tension. This is load. Okay, so see that one here, 5 number of pulleys, it should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And effort is always by 1. Now, let us see what is the data given for us to solve. Mark the direction of load, effort, all these things done. If the load is raised by 1 meter, load here, let us find out here what we are getting. VR equal to 5. Okay, load is raised. This let it be DL. DL equal to 1 meter. So according to this velocity ratio equal to DE by DL. So here velocity ratio equal to 5. DE how much? DL equal to 1. So here DE equal to 5 meters. So if DL move 1 meter, then this effort move by 5 meter. So here then what is the next question? State the number of strands on tackle supporting the load. So third bit will be, obviously this one will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next is that what is the mechanical advantage of this system? Here nothing it is given, so obviously mechanical advantage, here it will be this 5 only. So here this one will be D bit. What is the mechanical advantage of this system? Here this one will be 5. This mechanical advantage, okay, let us write. So mechanical advantage will be 5 because it is VR given, and it is given block and tackle system, velocity ratio 3. So obviously 3 number of pulleys will be there. Upper block 2, and this one will be 1. And here we have to join this one, and I have done it. See that one, all this should be the straight line, and these are the tension. Tension will be upward direction, always load will be downward direction, and here load is supported by 3 tension, and effort always as usual way supported by 1 tension. Then what else it is given? Here it lift the load of 150 Newton and effort equal to 60 Newton. So find out this mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Load equal to 150 divided by 60. So this one how much it comes? This one will be 3. Sorry, this one will be 2. This one will be 5. So it comes 2.5. Whereas velocity ratio is 3, mechanical advantage is 2.5. So here MA will be less than VR. So it is not an ideal machine. Ideal machine. Because here MA is not equal to VR. Okay. So what is the advantage? So is the pulley, it is ideal system? No, it is not an ideal machine, because here MA is less than VR, and otherwise MA is not equal to VR, MA is less than VR. Number 8, it is given 4 number of pulleys. It is given 4 number of pulleys. So it is drawn 4 number of pulleys, And now we will show the direction of tension. So this one is the load. Here this one will be one tension, this one will be tension, this one will be, this one will be. And one thing remember, here tension direction always upward and the string should be straight. And effort is always supported by one tension. Okay, now let us read the question. Here system 4 number of police number is 4. Obviously that velocity ratio becomes 4. Then what is the okay, draw the diagram. It is over tension, everything we have shown. Velocity ratio equal to 4. This one B bit. And what is C bit? It is given how the load and effort of the pulley system is related. Now load is supported by 4 tension. Okay, and here effort, it is supported by 1 tension. So let us see that one. Mechanical advantage will be 4 because nothing is given here, means it is an ideal system. So mechanical advantage also 4 because in case of ideal system MA equal to VR. So this one so here mechanical advantage equal to here load by effort. Here load by effort. Mechanical advantage load by effort. So here 4T by T is equal to equal to T. So equal to 4. So mechanical advantage also we are getting as 4. Clear? So if mechanical advantage is getting, we are getting 4. It shows that one VR equal to 4, MA equal to 4. So this one equal to, as it is 4 equal to load by effort, implies load equal to 4 into effort. Okay, so this one will be that answer. And here next is what assumptions do you make in that arriving your answer in part C. So here we are getting load equal to 4 into effort. It means that here there will be no friction, here there will be no friction. Okay, there will be this lower block will have negligible weight, okay, negligible weight. And here what else we can say, this effort is applied in the downward direction, okay, and this one, it is system is perfectly smooth. All this will be that answer. Here it is given 4 number of pulleys. Obviously how many strands of trackle are supporting the load? Obviously this one will be this one will be 4. This one will be 4 number. So this answer will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one will be 4. And here what is the B bit? It is asked to draw the diagram to complete. Here showing the direction of effort, tension, all these things, and load will be here. And third bit, it is given what is the mechanical advantage of this system. Here to get this mechanical advantage of this system, what it is, the mechanical advantage of this system, here as it is 4, obviously mechanical advantage also we are getting 4. So here how, this one will be how this, it is load is supported by 4 tension and effort is supported by tension. So mechanical advantage equal to 4 tension, mechanical advantage equal to load by effort equal to 4 tension by tension. So this one will be 4 only. Okay, mechanical advantage also we are getting 4. When the load is pulled by the distance m meter, here velocity ratio is equal to, this one it will be d bit. Velocity ratio equal to distance moved by effort by distance moved by load. Here what we are getting, 4 equal to dE, and here distance moved by load equal to 1 given. So it implies dE means it is distance moved by effort equal to 4 meter. This one will be that answer. How much effort is needed to lift the load of 100 Newton? So let us go for this E bit here. E bit is that mechanical advantage we are getting load by effort. Mechanical advantage is 4. Okay, so it is load, it is given 100. Load is given 100 Newton. What is effort? Implies effort equal to 100 by 4 equal to 25 Newton. This one question number 10. Block and tackle system has velocity ratio 3. It is already got. Diagram, draw the diagram. For this one we will draw the diagram here. If we will go for the diagram, this one will be 2 number of pulleys and this one will be the third pulley, and here this let us have the simplest diagram. For this you will draw it properly. Okay, so here this one is another pulley system. Here this one will be the load, and here let it be straight. This one will be the effort. Okay, so here all this one thing, remember, all these things should be the straight line. Here it is not. Okay, so this one is tension, this one is tension, this one is tension, and effort is supported by one tension, and this one will be, and this one will be the load. Okay, done. Then next, here draw the level diagram for this one, and here this man can exert a pull of 200 kgf. So here this effort becomes 200 kgf, which is becomes 2000 Newton. It is asked what is the maximum load it can use. So we will find this load afterwards. Another one, see that what is the maximum load. A pulley system efficiency is 60%. Second part is as if the load end moves the distance 60 centimeter, the distance load the load will move. So here we know velocity ratio is equal to distance moved by effort by distance moved by load. But here it is given velocity ratio equal to 3. 3 equal to dE by dL. It is dL is as distance moved by load equal to dE by 3. dE by 3. Which is equal to 60 by 3 equal to 20 centimeter. So one answer we are getting here. This distance load moved by this load equal to, here we are getting 20 centimeter. Okay, let us go for the next. What it is asked. Here it is asked what is this here. Okay, let us go for the third bit. Efficiency is equal to, it is given 60%. But we know efficiency equal to MA by VR. Clear? So this one equal to 60% means this one will be 60 by 100. MA is, let it be like that only. VR equal to 3. So what is MA? Sorry. What is MA? MA equal to 3 into 6 by 10 equal to 1.8. Okay, we are getting this one 1.8, and we know MA equal to load by effort. MA equal to load by effort. Here let it be, so here what it is asked, load. Load equal to effort into MA. It implies effort equal to how much? It is your 2000, and here MA equal to 1.8. So let me write down this one as like this. So here how much getting? So 3600 Newton, getting this answer. So here it is, so this one will be, if we will go for it, so 3600 Newton. If we will go for this kgf answer, this one answer can be load equal to 360 kgf. Okay, so this one will be answer